Hey guys, welcome back to the Projects. We're going to go ahead and change an AC unit on the window today. I'm going to show you the model that I got at Lowe's, and let's see how quickly it is to go ahead and make that change. Alright guys, so this is the unit that I got here, this BTU 6000, small room, 2,500 square feet, GE model at Lowe's. It was at $269, so I'm going to open this guy up and see what we got to do. Some of the things that came in here, these are the railings in order for you to go ahead and place this accordion next to each thing. And then remote control, some batteries, and some screws here in order to mount this. So it's pretty easy to mount one of these things. I don't think it'll be a difficult thing to do. So let's go ahead and remove this old one. So if you're looking here, in this case here, there's silicone here, so we're going to cut all that out, right, with a razor blade, and then we're gonna go ahead and just place a new one. So let's give that a try. Alright guys, it literally just came off, so I didn't get a chance to show you how easy it was to pull it out, but you see all the silicone that was around it to make sure it was nice and sealed. All that got taken out. Alright guys, so here's the unit. I took it out of the box. Basically what it looks like. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this lip here, and this basically is when the window comes down, it's going to lock itself right there, so the unit doesn't go backwards. Okay, so I'm going to go look for some of the screws here that you need. You basically going to align these right here where the holes are, and you're going to put in these screws. So let me go ahead and do that and come back on the video. Okay, so I went ahead and added those screws in there. So now we're going to grab these accordions that you see here, and you're going to go ahead and slide these in here. Okay, you have these little slots, and you're going to slide that all the way through. Okay, so it's going to look like this. I'm going to place them here like this, and you can see I'm doing it with one hand, which is really cool, right? Boom, that's one. Right, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side over here. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on this side. Bam, right? Okay, so here comes the other part. The other part is grabbing these railings. Okay, and you're going to slide these inward here. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, something I want to show you really quick is when you do mount these pieces in, make sure that you have the right. You can see here this kind of has like an R, and then the left, right? And the reason is that you're going to be able to pull this to fill in that window gap. Okay, so it looks like this, like an accordion. You see here, goes back and forth, and same thing here. Okay, so let's go ahead and mount that. Alright guys, so one thing I wanted to show you is like this is the window here. Remember that flap that I told you is here? You're gonna go ahead and bring that down, and that's gonna hold it down. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and expand these. Okay, what you guys kind of want to do is you're going to want to make sure that this is in there, and you use self-tapping screws for metal. That's what they look like, and then you're going to go ahead and self-tap it in there. Okay. Alright, so this is what it's looking on the outside. Okay, just kind of heads up. But something I want you to keep in mind is that you want to remove the plug that's down here, because that way the AC drains. You want that water to drain. You don't want it to stay in there, you know, and collect a lot of water from the condensation. So I did remove that, and now I'm going to go ahead and put these in from the old unit. For some reason it didn't come with the new unit. I'm going to show you where these go. Alright, so let me show you something. This is the stuff that it came with this unit, okay? Now, it didn't come with these pieces. This is from the old unit. And what these do actually is they actually go here, and they actually keep this down, right, from it moving, right? And then you would put another one on this end, So I'm gonna use the old ones and keep that from actually move, you know what I mean, being able to be lifted up or moved. As you see, that's what it would look like. This is the other one here. This is what it would look like. And sorry it's all dirty here, but I'm gonna clean that up once I'm done. And then this is what it looks like right now on here. It looks good. You can also see here that you can change the fan type: auto, high, mid, low, cool, fan, echo, on, off for the delays. And it also comes with that remote. This is the remote here, so let's go ahead and do the plus. You can see here it changes the temperature. You can change the speed, which I believe is the fan speed, and the mode, which is cool, fan, or echo. So it's neat, you know, at least you can lay in bed and go ahead and make those changes while you're relaxing. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna put in these screws and then show you what it looks like at the end totally. So since not all these window units, they try their best to find all the pieces that you need in order based on the window you have. I typically do some modification of my own, so I'm going to show you some of the modifications I typically do, which is one, I always put a screw here to make sure that the window does stay locked down. Another thing is the pieces here that I told you that I saved from the old unit, which keeps this from actually going up or down. Same thing on this end. And then another thing is the unit has the ability of actually removing the filter and washing it, and then you can slide it back in as well. So one more thing that I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to go ahead and get some clear silicone, and I'm going to make sure I silicone all of these open areas here that were left open a little bit, and just clear silicone. I'm going to go ahead around it and just seal it all up. And even here, you see how it has a little bit of a window here. So that's basically what I end up doing typically when I put these units up. I do it from the inside, the silicone, and also on the outside to make sure it's fully sealed. You know, only if you have access to it. Some people might not, you know, they might be living on the 40th floor and they can't do it. So all I'm saying is, like, if you can do it from the outside, do it, but definitely do it from the inside when it comes from silicone. Alright guys, so I'm back with that silicone that I'm going to go ahead and put around the unit. This is the one I got. It's like $5-6 bucks. You can get it at Home Depot, you can get it at Lowe's. It's for a window and door protection, and it's pretty good. I've used it many times. As you can see here, it dries within 30 minutes. It's shrink and crack proof. I've done AC units with this, and I'm telling you, 12-15 years and never cracked. It's still expandable and it's amazing. So I definitely recommend this if you are going to do it with the AC units here. And what I do is I just going to go ahead and seal these areas. So let me go ahead and do that, kind of start sealing it, and then I'll bring back the video here to show you what it's looking like. Alright guys, so one thing you want to keep in mind is that I have access to the outside, so you're good to go. But if you don't, you would do the silicone that I put in here to really seal it off. I did it from the outside. You could do it from the inside, but I like to do it from the outside. And I also did it up here because there's a little bit of a crack, right, where it opens and closes. Right, I was able to do the same thing on this side. So something to keep in mind. You know, make sure that you do this right here on the top and the bottom. And then I gotta make sure I finish this area here. Right here, this area. I gotta make sure I finish that. This area right here. And then I'm gonna put a little bit up here as well. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the theveraprojects. I hope you liked the installation of the window unit. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. We're trying to reach to 1,000 subscribers this year. So please help us out to get to that goal. And I'll see you next time with another great video.